Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to select messages in WhatsApp Web on your PC. Selecting messages allows you to perform various actions like deleting, forwarding, or even copying them. Follow these simple steps to select messages effectively. Step 1. Open a chat. Launch WhatsApp Web on your PC and select the chat in which you want to select messages. It's important to open the specific chat where the messages are located. Step 2. Click on More. Look for the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 3. Click Select Messages. From the options that appear, choose Select Messages. This action will enable the selection mode, allowing you to choose the messages you want to perform actions on. Now that you know how to select messages in WhatsApp Web on your PC, you can easily manage and organize your conversations. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos coming your way.